You don't mind?
No, I do.
Okay, well, yeah, it's gonna be
Come on. Don't let it pop off.
okay.
Just flip the choke on.
Oh.
It wants to. Sorry, dude. I really hope it's sorry, dude.
Come on, harder.
That's the muffler, sir.
Or, sorry, the air filter. Holy shit, that thing's filthy.
That might be what's wrong. Let's take that out. Stop, because then it's gonna get ruined.
Good.
No.
Fuck this piece of shit.
Oh my god, bro. Oh. Try it. Hard.
Piece of fucking shit. You know what I think of your bullshit ass fucking mower?
Dude, I found it in the trash.
Fuck this piece of shit, motherfucker. Fuck this piece
Come on.
of fucking shit, motherfucker.
You're gonna make it worse.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, it's going.
I done told you to get a good lawnmower.
That is a good lawnmower.
No, it's not.
And my dog just ran away.
Fuck that piece of shit.
I'm gonna let it nosedive.
Okay. I just told you for the last time. Get a better lawnmower.